Hey, welcome to my channel, English Echo Zone.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking with friends and enjoyed some downtime.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love photography. Capturing moments allows me to express my creativity.
Have you read any interesting books lately?
Yes, I just finished The Silent Patient, a psychological thriller that kept me hooked.
If you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
I've always dreamed of visiting Japan. The culture and history fascinate me.
What's your go-to comfort food?
I can never resist a classic bowl of macaroni and cheese.
How do you handle stress?
I usually take a break, practice deep breathing, or go for a run. It helps clear my mind.
What's a skill you've always wanted to learn?
I've always wanted to learn how to play the guitar. The sound of acoustic music is so soothing.
Do you have a favorite movie genre?
I enjoy sci-fi films. There's something intriguing about exploring the possibilities of the future.
What motivates you in your work?
Making a positive impact on others motivates me. Knowing I can contribute to something meaningful keeps me focused.
How do you spend your free time on weekends?
I like exploring new cafes with friends, catching up on reading, and sometimes just having a lazy day at home binge watching shows.